Well, kids, now we will just talk about the William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in 23rd 1564 at Stanford upon Avon. He was died 23rd April 23rd 1660. That time he was 20-year old only. And his father John Shakespeare was an globe makers and trader. William Shakespeare was attended the grammar school and learned Latin and read the classical, including mythology. He married the Anne Hathaway in 1582. That time she was 26 and he was 18 only. He had three children, so that's Susan and the twins Judith and Hamnet. So Hamnet died in 1596 at the age of 11. Then he moved to the London between 1585 to 1591, and there was a part of their action group called the Lord Cumberland Men's. It became the King Men's, and William Shakespeare wrote 37 plays and 154 sonnets. Now he had wrote a play and that are divided like a historians, tragedies and comedy and tragicomedy. The characters are in the play: Theseus, Hippolyta, Oberon, Titania, Puck, Neckbottom, Aegeus, Lucinda, Hermia, Demetrius and Helena. The characters are openings here, as you can see on in the interface. Aegeus is father of Hermia, and Aegeus asked for help from the Theseus. Theseus is the king of Athens, and Aegeus asked the Theseus to help for the Hermia will be married with Demetrius. Theseus also engaged with Hippolyta. So his Hippolyta is an Amazon queen. Now the Hermia in love with Lucinda, but the Demetrius want the Hermia should love him. Here one more character, that is Helena. The Helena is childhood friend of Hermia, and Helena in love with Demetrius. Apart from this, there is another character, that is Oberon, Puck, Titania. So the Oberon is the king of fairyland, and Titania is the queen of fairyland, and Puck is the mischievous fairies. And these characters play very important role in the story. In the summarization of the story, we are going to discuss about it. A Midsummer Night Dream is a play about love, jealousy and magic. The story begins with Aegeus wants his daughter Hermia to marry the Demetrius, but the Hermia loves Lucinda. So Demetrius is decent enough, but she is not interested with him. So Lucinda is furious and he remarks the Demetrius how just recently he was in love with someone else. So Helena is still in love with the Demetrius, and the Aegeus want to impose that the ancient law of Athens on Hermia if she is refused to marry the Demetrius. So he put his case to be the Duke Athens, and as she is in mine, so I may be dispose of her, which shall be either to be the gentleman or her death. So Duke Theseus is about to marry the Amazon queen Hippolyta, and so he is feeling generous, and he advised the Hermia that she should listen to her father. Hermia is left alone with the Lucinda, and they plan to run away together that night. So Hermia's the best friend Helena approached them, and she is devastated. The Demetrius not longer love her, and the Hermia tries to comfort Helena, but the Helena cannot get over her jealous that the Hermia is now the Demetrius' dreams girl. So the Hermia tells the Helena of their plan to escape into the wood. So she will be no longer be around it. So she will be the out of their lives. But the Helena decided to tell the Demetrius everything, and she think this will be her in a good light with him, and if he follow the Hermia, then she in turn can be followed him. So she will be do anything to spend times with the Demetrius. So he run into the wood to follow the Hermia, and Lysander, so Helena as well run into the wood and follow the Demetrius. So in the wood, the fairies, the Oberon is the king and the Titania is the queen, but they have quarreled each other. The Titania has adopted a little challenging boy, so she want the custody of that little boy, and as apart from the Oberon also want the custody of little boy, so that's why they were quarreling each other. And because of this, the Oberon is incredibly angry, and the Titania matches in her power and strongs, and Oberon want to use the cheeky idea on the Titania. So he ordered to his Puck and describe the drugs about that love in idleness to his fairy servant, that is Puck. So the juice of the sleeping eyelid in the woman that is the Titanian, as well as he saw the Oberoi saw the Puck. Oberoi saw that the Demetrius and the Helena they were quarreling each other. So he ordered the Puck to be a keep that love in idleness to in the Demetrius eyes when they were sleeping. But the Puck has made a mistake over there, and instead of the Demetrius, he kept love in idleness in the eyes of Lysander. As a result, what happened when the Lysanders wake up, he saw the Helena and he immediately fall in love with the Helena. So Helena, thinking that he is having a cheeky idea on it, so she run away. And as a part of it, the Helena try to crying about it. So she think that he is in love with Hermia. As all this the Oberon has seen, and he think that Puck had done a mistake over here. So he ordered the Puck now see in the second time that Athenian man is sleeping. So he put the juice into the Demetrius' eyes. So who walks to the side of Helena, and so the both men love her, and in their competitions over the Helena, they are willing to fight for her. So Hermia woke up, and abundantly she searched for the Lysander to find out where is that. And once she saw that they were fighting for the Helena, she also get depressed seeing all this. First of all, she thinking that they are playing a jokes on it, but it was not. So after that, he caused to be then puppet and drawn to be then called the Hermias is an engaged. She blamed the Helena for his changing of the heart, and the things Helena has been the laughing with them about how the sort of the law the Hermia is, and she threatened the Helenas as well. So Helena is terrified, but the boys has protected to make the Helenite. As apart from the story, we will think about that in fairyland, the Titania wakes up and see the bottoms with his big donkey ears and the love with him like she has never loved another, and she order her fairies to wait upon him and hang upon his every word. They all have wonderful time together. Sanas followed and kissed it, but the Oberon taken up to be the spell, and Titania is horrified at her donkey's man lover. So she run back to be the Oberon's and become his alone, and Puck take off the spell of the bottoms and wear the return to be the worries trouble, and they has been selected to be the Duke wedding. The lovers fall asleep again and exhausted after the so much fighting and running, and the Puck set the spell right to be the Demetrius still love to be the Helena, and Lysander fall in love back to be the Hermia. And the lovers are found in the woods by the Theseus, and the Hippolyta and Aegeus, they all go back to be the city, and the Theseus marries Hippolyta, and Hermia marries Lysander, and Helena marries Demetrius. So all the lovers are together and reconciled, and the mortal and the fairy's word is, so all the movement is pleasure. Thank you very much.